My people, I wish I go play the sound where this Cater Efe they make for this video.
Stupid guy who they call Cater Efe, they tell him daughter to they touch him nipple. For this kind of 21st century world day, and no activists talk anything about them. Now from clap, they go from enter dance. Allow your own daughter will be minor, will be baby, will be small pikin, and a girl child. Cater Efe, upon you spit. They need to arrest you. Calling for the arrest of Cater Efe. We know say that your daughter, but now everybody now get them.
First time in history, I dey agree with wetin Stanley they talk. Wetin Cater Efe do for that video no make sense. We know say na your pikin, you have the right to do whatever you want, but this is a minor for crying out loud. You don't expose her to such thing. Please, you can do better. Guys, make allow una make una watch the full details. I beg, share this video out so that others will learn.
I want to address this issue about Cater Efe and in pikin. And this pikin na girl, a minor, small pikin. Whenever I don't know say this girl, that this girl don't reach 5 years. Cater Efe allow in daughter to touch in nipple, and so many people no talk about her. No activists in Lagos reacted. No activists in the world reacted. They allow this abamu, this stupid guy who they call Cater Efe. They tell in daughter to they touch in nipple. For this kind of 21st century world day, and no activists talk anything about them. Now from clap, they go from enter dance. You allow your own daughter will be minor, will be baby, will be small pikin, and a girl child. No parent has spoken anything online. No parent has done any video. No human rights activist has said anything about this video. This is uncalled for. I am calling for the arrest of Cater Efe. We know say that your daughter, but now everybody now get them. Hear this thing, we know say that your pikin, but it is owned. She's owned by federal government, and we are the government. Now the people now be the government. Cater Efe, upon you spit. They need to arrest you. Stupid character. Yeah, that's why they say, man, not just insult you. Nonsense. Look at how irritating the video looks.
If you have watched to this very extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that whenever I drop Tori on my channel, you'll be the first to be notified. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Cindy TV. Go through my page. No news that they drop.